The president today praised Justice Breyer and pledged to announce his nominee to replace him by the end of February. Senator Chuck Schumer has pledged to fast-track Mr. Biden's choice to confirmation. But if anyone wondered if Mr. Biden would keep one of his campaign promises, he made it clear he'd keep that promise and the choice would be historic.
The person I will nominate will be someone with extraordinary qualifications, character, experience, and integrity. And that person will be the first black woman ever nominated to the United States Supreme Court.
The president saying that was long overdue, and his reported short list of contenders has no shortage of legal powerhouses.
I would like to start by expressing my sincerest gratitude to you, Mr. Chairman, for scheduling this hearing and for introducing me.
Thought to be the leading contender is Ketanji Jackson Brown, appointed by the president to the Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia, considered the second most powerful federal court in the country. She also served as an assistant federal public defender and, importantly, clerked for Justice Breyer. Leandra Kruger, who was the youngest person appointed to the California Supreme Court, nominated in 2014 and was acting Deputy Solicitor General in the Obama administration. J. Michelle Childs, who President Biden also nominated to the U.S. Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia, her Senate hearing scheduled for next week. Sherilyn Ifill, a civil rights attorney and former president and director of the NAACP Legal Defense and Education Fund. North Carolina Supreme Court Justice Anita Earls. Minnesota Federal District Judge Wilhelmina Wright. Then there is former New York Public Defender Eunice Lee.
Thank you, Chairman Durbin, Ranking Member Grassley, and all of the members of the committee for inviting me to appear today and for considering my nomination.
Now seated as Biden's choice for Second Circuit Court of Appeals in New York and recommended for the post by Senator Chuck Schumer, Lee is only the second black woman to sit on the court and the court's only public defender, having spent the majority of her legal career as a public defender in New York. There's also Circuit Judge Candace Jackson Akawumi, appointed by Mr. Biden to the Seventh Circuit in Illinois.
With each and every case, I had to put aside any personal opinions I had about my client and any personal opinions I had about what they were accused of or the behavior, and represent them zealously.
City University School of Law professor Natalie Gomez-Velez calls it a powerful and more than qualified slate of potential picks for the nation's highest court.
Since the beginning of the Supreme Court, we have not had a black woman Supreme Court justice. And what does that tell you about a country, right, that is inclusive of so many people? So I think it is really an exciting development.
Now, in his letter to the president, Justice Breyer said he intends for his resignation to take effect when the court recesses in late June or early July, assuming, he says, that by then his successor has been nominated and confirmed. And that timing is key. Republicans are hoping to take back the Senate majority in the midterm elections this fall. Mitch McConnell has already signaled that if that were to happen, he would block any Biden attempt to nominate a justice to an open Supreme Court seat.